How to add Manta Pacific on Trust Wallet app? Are you guys facing issues to add Manta Pacific on your Trust Wallet app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Trust Wallet app on your device. Once you open the app, now look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see this icon. Click on it. Now tap on search bar and search for Manta Pacific. In order to add it, just simply toggle this option. Once you toggle it, now go back to your Trust Wallet homepage and click on Manta Pacific. Now tap on Receive button. With the help of this QR code and wallet address, you can receive Manta Pacific from different crypto wallets. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna add Manta Pacific on Trust Wallet app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.